मेरा नाम रोहन है। मैं इंडिया से हूँ। यहाँ पर मैं मास्टर्स डिग्री कर रहा हूँ। आई हैव डबल मेजर। आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माय मास्टर ऑफ साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी मैनेजमेंट and I have an emphasis in graphics and imaging. I have a second master's degree that is Master of Arts, and I have a focus in mass communication. I have a special interest in advertising and digital broadcasting. I came here 2 years ago from India. It was a great experience for me to come down, and Pittsburgh had a lot of things to offer, especially a small town. Of course, for India, the city where I grew up, मेरी सिटी में पाँच 5 लाख से ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं। पिट्सबर्ग काफ़ी छोटा सिटी है, लेकिन काफ़ी अच्छे लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पर। मुझे काफ़ी दोस्त मिले यहाँ पर, और काफ़ी अच्छा लगा इनसे मिलके। और जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर इंडिया से, मेरी तरह ही महसूस करते हैं। बिल्कुल उन्हें भी काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है। यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है जो मदद करता है इन स्टूडेंट्स की। अगर मुझे कहा जाए कि इंडिया से आप किसी स्टूडेंट को रेकमेंड करेंगे यहाँ आने के लिए, तो बिल्कुल श्योर मैं ज़रूर किसी स्टूडेंट को एडवाइस करूँगा कि यहाँ पर आके एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करें। बहुत अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी है। I think, in my opinion, Pittsburgh State University has great degrees to offer. The students need to be proactive, and that's what I stress upon very much, because as a master's student, you need to know what you're doing. It was kind of difficult for me when I was doing my undergraduate degree. I did not really enjoy what I was doing, and I just figured that not much out of it was important for me. So I selected the area that I was interested in, which was advertising. Now, advertising forms a very small section in print industry, but when I came down to Pitt State, I was offered a degree that is print management, and I was lucky to excel in my studies. I have good scores with all the courses that I had taken. That also stimulated my interest to go and pursue master's degree in communication. And with that, I think I have got a very strong platform where I'm standing right now. I'm really looking forward to join the entertainment industry, and also probably, if I get a chance, advertising industry is a backup always, because it's always close to my heart. That's my interest. That's something that I really enjoy doing. But I would really love to work in digital media and broadcasting, because that is something that is coming up um, pretty at a great pace, and I think it'd be great when I hit the industry. No, I did not know about that. Although I knew that Pitt State has got many students coming from international countries, I'm pretty much aware that we have a very diverse campus. यहाँ पर पूरे 47 states से students आते हैं अमेरिका में, और 42 countries around the world we have students coming down. So I think we have a pretty diverse campus out here, but I really never knew that it's one of the best programs in the state and one of the best programs in the country. Frankly speaking, I am gonna apply all my knowledge uh, to work here in the United States. But looking at 10 years from now, I would probably see myself starting a business in India, and probably trading between India and United States. So that's probably the way I'm gonna take my knowledge back to India to set up my own business. हर हफ्ते मैं अपने मम्मी पापा से बात करता हूँ। हफ्ते में एक बार मुझे लगता है कि ज़रूर है उनसे बात करना, क्योंकि उन्होंने काफ़ी मेरा साथ दिया है, पढ़ाई वगैरह में काफ़ी मदद की है मेरे लिए। काफ़ी कष्ट उठाए मेरे लिए, तो मेरा हक बनता है कि हर हफ्ते या फिर कभी कभी हफ्ते में एक दो बार मैं उन्हें फ़ोन करके बताता हूँ कि मैं ठीक हूँ, और बस उनका हालचाल पूछता हूँ। कभी कभी अपने दोस्तों से बात करता हूँ, अच्छा लगता है। काफ़ी मिस करता हूँ उन्हें, तो हफ्ते में एक दो बार उनसे बात करके काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है। I think when someone says international communication, I would guess somebody is talking about understanding of different cultures. International communication, now that the entire world has gone global, I mean, companies have gone global, and things which are manufactured in the United States, you find them in India, and things manufactured in India, you might see them all around the world. So, with businesses going globally, I think communication is very important on an international level, and that comes with a backup of knowing the other cultures. Because to sell something to a different culture, you need to know what a culture is and have an understanding of the communication, how people communicate in that culture. So that's, I think, what international communication talks about. Okay.